Hello garden friends, welcome back. Today we're going to make some seed starting mix. I usually purchase Sungrow seedling mix and it's pretty good. I figured this year why not make my own. I got everything pre-measured, so all I'm going to do is mix it up. In the description below I will post the ingredient mix that I used. This is sort of from online research and just what I feel is going to work. I did a little bit of research on this. Hopefully it turns out. We will see. Okay, so what we have here is we have our sphagnum peat moss. I think it's 8 quarts. We got 2 quarts of perlite, 1 quart of vermiculite, 1 quart of worm castings, 3 tablespoons of garden lime, and this is kelp for this is increased wettability, and there's a half a teaspoon per 64 ounces. After I'm done mixing everything up, I'll let you guys know how much actual water I used in this, but for now we're going to start off with a half a gallon, and I'm assuming we'll probably need like about a gallon. So let's get this stuff mixed up. Okay, we're going to start with the perlite. We're going to start with all our dries first. Our vermiculite. Our worm castings. And our garden lime. Hand mix that in. The liquid kelp is supposed to increase the wettability, make it retain moisture so it don't become hydrophobic where it would repel water. And I'm using perlite to aerate the soil and the vermiculite to help retain moisture as well. And garden lime to adjust the pH. So we're going to add our water. I'm confident that we can use a half gallon to start, and I will have to mix some more. Okay, we're going to add another half teaspoon of the liquid kelp. I can always use that as a fertilizer too for some of the house plants in that mix. We want it like this, clumpy but falls apart. It's a little wet, but we have to work it in yet. Okay, I'm gonna move to a bigger container. All right, let's add some more water with our mix. And now it's a whole gallon that I've used. Get everything, let everything is soaked in. And we'll leave this sit for about an hour. All right, now we're gonna leave that sit for about an hour.